everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to make a card using real flowers. Starting with painting the paper first for the background, and then I'm cutting the flowers so that it's easy to stick to the paper. Now I'm gonna stick these flowers on the paper one by one. After this process is done, I will add some stems and leaves to the flowers. Also, do you know the name of the plant from where I got these pretty purple flowers? Okay, so I got these flowers from our brinjal plant, also known as eggplant. Just look at the color, how beautiful it is. Though I don't enjoy eating them, but I love these flowers. Our card is almost ready. You can also write down some nice things. I am giving it as it is. Let me know if you enjoyed the video, and I will see you again in my next video. Until then, take care. Bye.